So in the last video, we discussed about while writing the additional test cases, we discussed that we got this issue like change your password, and this issue is mainly because we are not using incognito window. So to how to add incognito window in our base class when we open the like browser, and when we add the URL, so it should open like a incognito. So for that we need to use this chrome options is equal to new chrome options. So first of all we have to write this, and after creating this variable of this class, this object of the class, this chrome options class, then we have to use options dot add argument, and in the double inverted comma we have to write a hyphen incognito. So and after writing this we have to add these options inside this chrome driver, that we have written in driver is equal to new chrome driver, right, initially, and we have to add the options here. So what will happen is but when we open the browser, it will open the incognito video. So let's execute it now, and it should not give the error now. So let's save this class and go to our home page test. And yesterday we have written this, we have to check whether this will add to cart and gives the result as a 1, right? Okay, so after we have to add the cart and it will give as a 1, and we have to check that. So for that let's execute and see whether we'll get a result or not. So it started execution. Yeah, it's opened in the incognito, you can see that, right? We are not getting that issue, and yes, we are getting failure. Why? So that needs to be checked. Home page test failed because no such element. Which element? It's showing as, where is the home page 2022 or 22 home page test 30. So home page test this is 30, and in this home page 2022 22, so which is oh sorry, we have added alert, so which is not needed, right? We have written that alert yesterday, but which is of no use today. So okay, run it again, and it will work now. So there are many options that we can add as a argument inside the chrome options. Now it worked, right? It's working. So when we have to write the code in such a way that it should not open the browser when so like headless, at the time we can use headless, add argument as a headless. Also whenever we have to change the window like a size of the window to block the pop-ups, so such arguments we can add inside the base class. So those are the many things, but I will not confuse you right now itself. So this is all about the basics of writing framework and additional test cases. So to in this class I will also add few more test cases. So after adding we want so we will directly go to the this card page. Okay, we will click on this. So for that we have to find the x path of it, and we'll directly click on this cart, and when we go to cart, then we will move to the further like checkout and other things, right? We'll complete basically this whole project today itself. So I'll just copy paste this icon class, and what is the tag name is a double slash a, and in square bracket we have to write class equal to. Okay, this is your expert. Copy this and go to. So I will not create all the classes now, because there are like every time we have to create card page test, again checkout page test. So this is like hectic for me, like creating we have to write only one method and we are creating everything there. So which is like too many things we are doing at the same time. So I will just write inside the home page only, because it's easy and I will complete it as soon as possible, and I will not go in detail, like I will not create all the pages. so which is like difficult, and we are just writing only one method, right? So that's why it doesn't make sense. So you understood like what actually we do in the companies and how the project structure is, right? So this is a cart icon, I will say, and we can directly click on it, cart icon, and after click button we'll get the count, and we will not check this now. We'll just directly click on the cart. We'll just remove cart icon dot click, and we'll provide it as a void, so that it will, and save this. And again in the home page test, we will not check now. We'll just call the method, and after calling, okay, so okay, when we click on it, we'll this page will open, right? The product information, and this is called as a cart page. So that's why we'll go here, and after that we'll check URL. Okay, we'll do one validation, that is URL validation. Copy this URL and come here and pass it here. Actual, instead of count, just replace it as a URL, and then actual count, so it will be actual URL. And also we have to change here actual URL and actual count, expected URL, and then save this. And we are getting one issue because we have to write, we have to change here something. We have to again make it as a string, and the second thing is we have to use return and driver. After clicking, it will go to the card page, right, and get current URL. We have to use get current URL. So it will return the URL, and we have to go again there, and it will check the current URL, that is cart. So now I will run this, and it should work, and it will give the result as a pass. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, it opened in the Chrome browser. In the incognito window, it clicked on add to cart. Yes, we can't see the, it's too fast, right? But test case got passed. Again we are on the card page now, so let's write one more test case to go to the checkout page. How to go to checkout page? Like click on checkout and you will be there on the checkout page, right? So just find the XPath here for the checkout button, and again copy this checkout. This is the text XPath, right? So double slash, tag name is button, and use tex text, and this is our XPath for checkout. Again I will write the second method instead of going back to back this in the same class. Now I will execute it, a public. Oh, where is home page? Okay, in home page. Okay, now I will just remove this, and now we'll write for okay, at the rate find by XPath, and this is our XPath web element, and checkout button, right? And now we have already verified like a cart page, so we'll change it to the checkout button. So what will happen is it will go on a cart page, and it will not click it will click on checkout button, right? What happened, we have not selected correctly, so we have to click on checkbox. Okay, now what will happen is, what is this issue? So everything is fine, but still we are getting the issue. I don't know exactly the reason for it. Let's go to home page test. What it says? It says nothing. Okay, we are clicking on cart icon, then we are clicking on the, after clicking on cart icon, we are clicking on checkbox, checkout button. This what about this XPath? XPath is also correct. Okay, sorry, we have not written here return. We have to write return so that this issue will gone. Okay, now this is correct, and after clicking on checkout, we have to find the mm, okay, it is also giving error, so we have to log in again, and we have to go back from beginning. Okay, click on it, log in, click on cart icon, and now instead of checking this URL of the cart page, we will directly go to the checkout, and now we will check the URL of the checkout page, right? This is the URL, and just go back to our test page, home page test, and replace this URL with checkout page URL. So there are like multiple validations we are doing on the same page itself, because creating pages is you understood the basic idea of how we write in the different pages. So now just run this, and you can see uh, validation of the checkout page. So this is how a whole framework works, and I hope you understood how to write the test cases and check the different things in the framework. So what happened? Where is our console? So test case is passed, and yeah, this is working. So this is how a framework works, and I hope you can write the complete you will complete this framework, and you can explain it easily. I have also explained how to explain the framework in interviews in other video. Yeah, that is it about the framework. Yeah, continue yourself. I will not explain more about it. Yeah, that is it. Thank you.